Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and today I'm going to give an attempt at making a holster for a tape measure using some webbing. I got a couple tape measures here. I cut out a piece of foam that's the same size, same diameter, that if I can use this as a form, I can use this webbing and come up with something. So let's give it a shot. I've been using a stapler instead of pins because, well, I don't know how to use pins, and this seems to work just fine for what I'm doing. So the staples help me kind of model what I'm trying to make here. Let's see. So here's the basic. I think what I can do is take these staples out, and I might be able to manipulate this enough on the sewing machine that I can sew it. Sew it! Sew it! All right. Almost done. This has been pretty hard. Well, pretty hard for me. Wheel, wheel, wheel. Maybe I have to hand stitch that. That doesn't sound like fun, does it? You should make a machine that sews for you, gives you like a mechanical advantage, because this sucks. Tell you what, hand sewing, webbing is not easy. All right, so while I was doing that, I was thinking I'm going to continue on with the experimentation with plastidip. And I'm going to coat the outside of this with plastidip, and then hopefully, or with the goal that it will stiffen it up and act more like a basket type thing. But there it is. That's the basic shape, some belt loops, and I'm gonna go outside. I'll take you with me and I'll shoot this with some plastidip. Yes, I will. So here's the finished tape measure holster. I'll try it on here in a second. I'm gonna give this to Jason over at Northwest Sawyer, or Jason the Northwest Sawyer. He's a YouTuber, and yeah. So here, let me show you how this looks. Looks pretty good. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. I'll put a link to Jason's YouTube channel in the description or at the end here somewhere. And boy, I'm having a blast with this sewing thing. Obviously, I got a long ways to go practicing my skill and learning the techniques, but hey, I'm already making some kind of useful stuff. Been a lot of fun. So everyone have a great day. Peace out, and go make something today, okay?